Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a high-performance, compact FDM, fused deposition modeling, 3D printer designed for users who demand speed, precision, and ease of use. It supports multicolor 3D printing, making it an excellent choice for creating intricate, colorful designs without the need for multiple machines or complex setups. This printer is designed for quick and easy setup, allowing users to get started within 20 minutes. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can set it up and start printing with minimal hassle. Once set up, it offers high-speed and precision printing, delivering detailed models in a fraction of the time compared to many other 3D printers on the market. The full auto-calibration system ensures the printer is ready to go without manual adjustments, providing consistent and accurate results on every print. Additionally, the active flow rate compensation feature adjusts to ensure consistent filament extrusion, further enhancing print quality and reliability. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini operates with a noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, making it one of the quieter options in the FDM 3D printer category. This is particularly beneficial for home users or small offices where noise reduction is important. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller workspaces without sacrificing functionality or print quality. The printer offers a balance of high-speed performance and precise printing capabilities, allowing users to create professional quality prints with ease. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a versatile, easy-to-use machine suitable for users of all skill levels. Its fast setup, automated features, quiet operation, and multicolor printing capability make it a top choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a high-performance, DIY 3D printer designed to offer exceptional speed, precision, and ease of use. With a printing speed of up to 250 mm per second, this printer delivers faster results than many comparable models, making it an excellent choice for users who need to complete projects quickly without sacrificing quality. Equipped with CR Touch Auto Leveling, the Ender-3 V3 ensures that the bed is perfectly leveled before every print, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and enhancing print accuracy. This feature contributes to a smoother printing experience and improved print results, especially for beginners or users looking for convenience. The Sprite Direct Extruder provides superior filament feeding, enabling smoother extrusion, better adhesion, and improved overall print quality. The Autoload filament feature further simplifies the printing process, allowing users to load filament without the hassle of manual intervention. This ensures a more efficient workflow and less downtime. With dual Z-axis and Y-axis support, the Ender-3 V3 offers enhanced stability, reducing the likelihood of layer misalignment and improving overall print quality. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring high-precision prints with minimal defects. The printer's build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches provides a generous space for creating a wide variety of projects, making it versatile for both small and larger prints. In summary, the Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer combines high-speed, auto-leveling, and precise extrusion to offer an outstanding DIY 3D printing experience. Its advanced features, such as dual-axis support and autoload filament, make it ideal for users who want to achieve quality prints with ease and efficiency. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-speed, versatile 3D printer designed to offer both speed and precision for a variety of printing projects. It boasts an impressive 500 mm per second printing speed, making it one of the fastest options available, allowing users to complete large prints in a fraction of the time compared to many traditional 3D printers. This printer is equipped with an all-metal hot end, which supports printing temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. This feature ensures compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including high-temperature materials like ABS, PTG, and TPU, offering flexibility for different types of 3D printing projects. The metal construction of the hot end also enhances durability, making the printer suitable for long-term use. The 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures a consistently flat build plate by automatically calibrating the bed, which reduces the likelihood of print failures and improves the accuracy of the prints. This is particularly beneficial for users who want a hassle-free printing experience with minimal manual adjustments. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm print volume provides a decent-sized workspace for creating medium-sized models, suitable for a wide range of applications, from prototypes to functional parts. Control is made easy through multi-device compatibility, allowing users to operate the printer via smartphone, tablet, or computer, making it convenient to monitor and manage prints remotely. The intuitive interface further simplifies the user experience, ensuring that both beginners and experienced users can navigate the printer's features with ease. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer offers high-speed printing, all-metal hot end, 7x7 auto-leveling, and a flexible build volume for users looking for speed and quality. Its ease of use and multi-device control make it a great choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a versatile and user-friendly DIY 3D printer designed for both beginners and advanced users. This printer offers a fun assembly process, making it an enjoyable and educational experience for those looking to learn more about 3D printing. The kit includes everything needed to build the printer, providing a hands-on opportunity to understand the mechanics behind 3D printing technology. One of the standout features of the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is its automatic calibration, which ensures accurate prints from the very first use. This eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, reducing setup time and increasing reliability for consistent results. The printer is also equipped with removable print sheets, making it easier to remove finished prints without damaging them or requiring excessive force. With a print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, the 4 Malawian Kwachas offers a generous build volume, suitable for a variety of 3D printing projects, from prototypes to larger models. It provides ample space for both small and medium-sized prints, while maintaining precision and quality. The kit also includes a filament sample, so users can start printing right away. This is especially helpful for beginners who may not have filament on hand to get started. Overall, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit combines ease of assembly, automatic calibration, and a good-sized print volume to deliver an excellent 3D printing experience. Its beginner-friendly features, like the automatic bed leveling and removable print sheets, make it an ideal choice for those looking to dive into the world of 3D printing while still offering advanced features for more experienced users. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus desktop 3D printer kit is designed for both home and educational environments, offering a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing experience. It comes equipped with a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, allowing for easy material changes and ensuring consistent performance, especially when using PLA filament for fast, reliable prints. One of the standout features of the Replicator Plus is its factory-leveled flex build plate, which eliminates the need for manual bed leveling, ensuring accurate and easy prints right out of the box. This feature is especially beneficial for beginners or those who want to avoid the hassle of setup and calibration, providing a more streamlined printing experience. The printer offers a print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, which is ample for creating medium-sized objects, making it suitable for various projects such as prototypes, models, and educational activities. The spacious print area provides flexibility for a wide range of uses, from simple designs to more complex creations. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is designed for ease of use, with built-in Wi-Fi for remote monitoring and printing, and it's compatible with MakerBot Print software, which is optimized for creating high-quality prints with minimal effort. This ensures that users can manage and control their prints seamlessly, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced makers. In summary, the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit combines convenience, performance, and ease of use with its swappable extruder, factory-level build plate, and spacious print volume. It's an ideal choice for home and school use, offering fast and reliable printing with minimal setup and hassle.